Hey YouTube, it's Kid, and I'm going to show you aliens how to watch 3D movies, but in the MetaQuest browser. So my previous video, I showed how to watch 3D movies in big screen. Now I'm going to show you in the browser here. So let's see. So first, let's open up the menu. Let's go to the App Store here. Let's go to all. Let's go to... Where are we gonna go to? Aliens. We're gonna go to. Or go to the browser here. MetaQuest browser. Now, you have to go to movies, right? You have to find the movie. So this is my understanding. Okay, you have to find the whoa. All right, aliens. So first, you need to go to the MetaQuest browser. And once you open it up here, you have to find the 3D video, or get the 3D video in your OneDrive or wherever you have your 3D video stored, and just make it full screen. Okay, I'm going to show you aliens in a second where we need to go. All right, so I found my movie here. So I'm in the MetaQuest browser still. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it a full screen here. And remember, this will work with any movie that you put on here. So I full screened it, and now at the bottom, you'll see 2D, and then you'll do side by side. Now the movie is in 3D, and I mean, if you really wanted to, you could do this. And I mean, you could make the screen bigger if you really wanted to. I gotta make it 2D again. Full screen. Take this by distance. You can go even bigger with it if you really wanted to. Once again, full screen, side by side again. You already know what it is, man. It's pretty cool. So this is just one of the things you can do with this browser here. I really suggest just doing it from big screen if you could, but yeah, this is how you do it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and let me know what's going on. All right, let's get it. Let's go.